Hi and welcome to TenG Spectrum. I am Adish. So I am really excited to walk you through the step-by-step journey inside our brand new client portal. So you may have received a welcome email, or if you are planning to work with TenG Spectrum and you are planning and you are seeing this video as a public, then you may also be helpful once you are on board as a client of TenG Spectrum. And even if you are an existing client also, you may, as this is a brand new client portal, all the steps need to be necessarily taken as a new client itself. So I will show you what's inside that email and how you can access the portal for first time, and what are the necessary steps over the next few days once you receive this email. And we have designed this portal to make everything smoother, from invoices management to like project updates, time support, and subscription-based services. It's all in one place, and we can get started and walk you through the first login. Let me share my screen, and we can firstly look at the email that you will be receiving. So this is the email you will be receiving once you are onboarded and verified. Okay. And here you will get a spec ID. This is the ID you will be getting as a customer, and then you will receive the registered email ID. The mail will only be received to the registered email ID itself. So that registered mail ID is also being shared here, and a default password. Okay. So for the first step, you have to register or log in with this default password only. Okay. So let me share. This is the welcome email you will be receiving, and you can go through other necessary details once you receive. Okay. I'm not sharing much details about that here. And then let me share the screen once again of our portal. So here it is, the portal.tengspectrum.com. So here you can enter your username or password if you know. So I will be proceeding with the username as we know that, and you can enter the default password here. Okay, this is first signing attempt, and when we click the signing button, you will be taken to a password change. Okay, so without changing your password, you cannot proceed with other. Okay, so here you can enter the existing password that you have received on the mail, and you can enter the new password here. Okay, and if password matches, you will see this, and make sure that follow these rules, okay, while creating the password, because otherwise you may not able to change the password unless you follow these 4 rules. Okay, and when you click change password, then yes, congratulations, we have successfully logged into the client portal. Okay, for the first step, and password has been changed successfully, and your account is now more secure.